Have you ever wondered why people still remove body hair today? This is not simply a modern beauty trend. It is a practice rooted deep in human history. For thousands of years, people across cultures have removed body hair for reasons far beyond appearance. Exploring this history helps us understand why these choices still matter today. Throughout history, hair removal carried deeper meaning. Early civilizations practiced it for hygiene, health, and social identity. Environmental conditions, belief systems, and cultural values shaped these practices. In ancient Egypt, smooth skin symbolized order and cleanliness. Both men and women regularly removed body hair. They relied on natural methods such as sugaring. These techniques used simple ingredients available in their environment. In Mesopotamia, grooming revealed social status. Hairlessness was associated with refinement and discipline. Depilatory mixtures were often harsh by modern standards. Despite discomfort, these methods remained widely used. Hair removal was not driven by fashion. It was connected to health, belonging, and survival. In ancient Greece, smooth skin represented physical discipline. Athletes groomed themselves to improve hygiene and performance. The body was viewed as a reflection of mental strength and self-control. These values were deeply embedded in Greek society. In ancient Rome, grooming went beyond personal care. Public bathhouses turned grooming into a social experience. Smooth skin signaled wealth, leisure, and social standing. Even though methods could be painful, they were widely accepted. During the Middle Ages, grooming habits shifted significantly. Daily survival became more important than appearance. Hair removal grew less common across Europe. This change reflected social conditions and limited resources. The Renaissance brought renewed attention to beauty and image. Aristocratic women revived certain hair removal practices. Forehead plucking became fashionable as a symbol of intelligence and refinement. Despite discomfort, beauty standards continued to influence behavior. By the 18th century, grooming tools became more accessible. Basic razors and depilatory products entered everyday households. Hair removal slowly expanded beyond elite circles. During the Victorian era, smooth skin became associated with modesty. Expectations around appearance increased. Personal grooming products were promoted more widely. In the early 20th century, the safety razor transformed daily routines. Hair removal became a standard part of personal care. Fashion trends reinforced the preference for smooth skin. The mid-20th century introduced major innovations. Electric shavers improved convenience. Depilatory creams became more refined. Professional waxing emerged as a popular salon service, valued for longer-lasting results. Later, laser and IPL technologies offered long-term options. Today, hair removal methods are more diverse than ever. In 2026, grooming is a personal choice. For some, it represents comfort and self-care. For others, it is simply a preference without pressure. Cultural attitudes toward body hair continue to evolve. Body positivity movements encourage acceptance of all choices. Beauty is no longer defined by a single standard. Individual comfort and confidence matter most. At its core, hair removal is about informed choice. From ancient rituals to modern technology, its evolution reflects changing values. Whether smooth or natural, grooming remains a form of personal expression. The history of hair removal is ultimately a story about human choice. If you found this exploration meaningful, continue learning with us. Subscribe for thoughtful discussions on history, health, and personal empowerment. Understanding culture begins with understanding ourselves. Thanks for watching.